So this is their clubhouse, guys. As you can see, it's very big, and just beside it is their playground. There's swing, slide there. Good for your kids. So if there are events that you would attend to in the clubhouse, then your kids can play here, right? Very convenient. So again, that is their basketball court. Beside that is the playground, and then here we have the clubhouse. And if you walk here, beside are mangroves, which is very nice. I feel like it added more it added more to the beauty of the property. And then here, although there's Kuya that's cleaning the swimming pool, but can you see it? It's very nice. Then let's go upstairs. This is still in clubhouse. Let's see what they have here. Wow. The view. Can you see that? So this is upstairs. So there's this space here in the second floor. And if you go here, you can see everything from down there. So it's nice. There. Go down again. Okay, so they have restrooms here for women and for men. Check. Let's check for the women's. Okay, 2 cubicles. And again, this is in the clubhouse, guys. Not yet in the unit, okay? So meaning to say, if you have events here, you can make use of the restroom if you need to. Here. Actually, this is very spacious. If you have occasions, birthdays, baptismal, whatever it is, you can take advantage of the amenity, which is the clubhouse. So from here sa playground, we will go to the swimming pool. Let's try. Here. This is the clubhouse. You can walk here to get to the swimming pool, and again there's a restroom. Can you see that?
Again. Usa. Balik. Indot ato.
RFO unit, guys.
Minsan
Earth. Ano siya? Daw, dili pa siya clean. Pero ano siya ang yung idea. Unahan ko sa ingon nga idea sa window kay murag koan kay siya. Yan to siya picture-picturean dira sa. Right down na to. Ito. Right down na to sa taas da. Nanay provision for aircon. Loh. Provision lang. Uy, I like this part. Murag nice ni siya dali. Master bedroom ni. Kaya na balcony. Uy, nice. Nagyahak na dyan taan eh. Imbis na mamaligya ta basig. Oh, pwede ni siya storage diri. Oh, I feel like you can put things here. You can put things here. Sabi ko, pero nice din siya. Iko, no, nice siya. No, overlooking the sea. So, mao di ilang giingon na it's nice. Sunset, sunrise, may nga na ba? Nice siya, uy.